Unfortunately, we do not have time on our hands. Today's training is the first one. Tomorrow they will train, and then Wednesday we'll do light training before we depart for Angola. So we do not have enough time to go through all those pleasantries that we normally take the team through when they are in camp. So as things stand, the simple answer to your question is no. We are very much focused on the games. We want to go into the games with a positive mindset. That has always been the driving force for this team. We go into games thinking we have to win. We go into games with a plan to win. Unfortunately, we haven't had the results in the last 4 games. Like you indicated, our chances of qualifying is not in our hands 100%, but we have to be positive. We will try as much as possible, fight very hard, go to Angola and give it 100% energy, and go for the points. If it works for us, yes, we will be happy, and then we will come back home and face Niger with the same attitude. That is the mentality we are going into the 2 matches.